Yo, what's up guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this bloody grunge, kind of a camcorder effect in After Effects. Starting off, like always, I'm going to create our adjustment layer. Then I'm going to go ahead and add our motion tile effect. So I'm going to go ahead and add motion tile. Then I'm going to put our output width at 80. And it's going to give us a nice 4:3 ratio right here. Then once after that, I'm going to go ahead and add s_grunge. It is from a paid plugin. I'll make sure to link it inside the description of the video. Once after that, I'm going to go ahead and put our s_grunge above our motion tile effect. So only the actual video is being affected instead of the black borders right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put our stamp density. Go to the beginning. I'm going to put our stamp density at 240 or 240. Click on the time watch, open up our keyframes, go to the end, and put our density at 0 right here. Highlight these keyframes, press F9 to ease it, push your keyframe towards the end. Then I'm going to go to our stamp opacity, put it at 1, and we're going to follow the same keyframes we just did for density as well. We're going to put it at 0 for our opacity, highlight our 2 keyframes, ease it, push it to the end. Then we're going to go here to our stamp size and make sure it's on 5. And we're going to head to our fade softness and put it at 1. And put both of our colors for stamp 2 on red. And then we'll go ahead and close this out. So once after that, I'm going to go ahead and add noise. So I'm going to go right here, drag in noise. We're going to turn off the use color noise right here. And we're going to put it all the way to 25. We're going to go ahead and add s_JPEG damage. The reason why I'm going to add this effect is just to help damage our clip. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the middle of our clip. And I'm going to put our factor, our res factor, I'm going to put it all the way up to 3. Now for this, you don't really want to increase it that much because our clip starts to get pixelated. So if I were you, stay below around maybe 10, probably 8. Just like if I go probably what to 10. See like how 10 already damages it so much. So if I were you, stay probably below 5. Just for this, I'm going to put it at 3. Then I'm going to put our quality, I'm going to put it a bit up, maybe around 15, 16. And you can see here how we're getting just a completely nice clip. This is also one way to just use s_JPEG damage. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Go ahead and save your project, close out our timeline, and that's how you create this bloody grunge camcorder effect for your next music video or edit. Keep on staying creative and keep on working hard, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.